Want to add your BorgHive AI Assistant to your website as a chatbot widget? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a website chatbot connection in BorgHive, customize how it looks, and choose the installation method that fits your website. First, open the Integrations section inside BorgHive. Here, choose the Website Chatbot integration and start creating a new connection. The first step is to choose which assistant will power this chatbot. For this example, we'll use the assistant created in the previous tutorial. Next, add a chatbot name. This is the name that helps you identify this website chatbot connection inside BorgHive, and it can also be used in the widget header. Then, enter the website domain where this chatbot will be used. This tells BorgHive which website this connection belongs to. After that, write the welcome message. This is the first message users will see when they open the chatbot on your website. You can also customize the typing message. This is the placeholder text shown in the message input where visitors type their questions. Once the core details are completed, click Next. In the second step, we can customize how the chatbot looks on the website. All of these settings are optional, but they help you match the chatbot with your brand and website design. The primary color controls the main accent color of the chatbot, such as the header, buttons, and user message bubbles. The icon color controls the color of the launcher and action icons used by the chatbot. The background color changes the main background of the chatbot window. The assistant answer background controls the color behind the assistant's replies. This can help make the conversation easier to read and better aligned with your design. Next, you can choose the font size for the messages inside the widget. For most websites, the medium option works well, but you can adjust it depending on your design. You can also adjust the launcher icon position using the vertical and horizontal offset fields. This is useful if the chatbot button needs to sit a little higher, lower, or further away from the edge of the page. On the right side, you can see a live preview of the widget. This makes it easier to see how the chatbot will look before publishing it. Finally, you can upload your own logo for the launcher icon. This lets you replace the default chatbot icon with your own brand icon. Once the appearance looks good, click Next. In the final step, choose how you want to integrate the chatbot into your website. BorgHive gives you 3 integration methods: DirectScript, WordPress Plugin, and Google Tag Manager. BorgHive will now create the website chatbot connection and prepare the installation details for the selected method. In the second part of the video, we'll go through each installation method step by step, starting with the DirectScript integration. Select the Website Chatbot integration and open the integration guide. BorgHive gives you multiple ways to install the chatbot, including direct HTML script, WordPress plugin, or Google Tag Manager template. For this video, we'll use the DirectScript in HTML method. This is ideal for any website where you can edit the HTML directly. BorgHive generates a ready-to-use script tag for this chatbot. Click Copy to copy the full snippet to your clipboard. Now open your website project. In this example, we're using a local demo website running on localhost. Open the HTML template for the page where you want the chatbot to appear. Paste the BorgHive script right before the closing tag, then save the file. Next, open the website again and refresh the page. The BorgHive Chatbot widget should appear in the bottom right corner. Open it and send a test message. If the chatbot opens, sends the message, and returns an answer from your assistant, the direct script integration is working correctly. Your BorgHive website chatbot is now ready to be published on your live website. Select your website chatbot integration and open the integration guide. In the WordPress Plugin section, you'll see the steps required to connect the chatbot to your WordPress website. Here, it also shows the website chatbot ID you'll need later, so keep this page open or copy the ID. Now open your WordPress dashboard. From the left menu, go to Plugins, then click Add New. Search for BorgHive Chatbot. Once the plugin appears, click Install Now, then Activate. After the plugin is activated, WordPress will make the BorgHive Chatbot settings available in your dashboard. Next, go to Settings and open BorgHive Chatbot. Paste the website chatbot ID from BorgHive into the chatbot ID field. Then click Save Settings. This connects your WordPress website to the selected chatbot from your BorgHive account. Now open your website and refresh the page. The BorgHive chatbot widget should appear on the site. Open the widget and send a test message. If the chatbot opens, sends the message, and returns an answer, the WordPress plugin integration is working correctly. Your BorgHive chatbot is now live on your WordPress website. First, open the Integration section inside BorgHive. Here, choose the website chatbot integration and open the integration guide. BorgHive gives you multiple ways to install the chatbot, depending on how your website is built, like adding the script directly to your website using the WordPress plugin or installing it through Google Tag Manager. For this video, we'll use the Google Tag Manager method. This method is useful when your marketing or development team already manages website scripts through GTM. Start by downloading the provided GTM template file. We'll import this file into Google Tag Manager so GTM knows how to load the BorgHive chatbot correctly. Now open your Google Tag Manager account. From the left menu, go to Templates, then open Tag Templates. Click New. Now, from the left side menu, choose Import. Select the template file you downloaded from BorgHive. Once the template is imported, save it. Now the BorgHive chatbot template is available inside your Google Tag Manager workspace. Next, we'll create the actual tag that loads the chatbot on your website. Go to Tags and click New. Now choose the BorgHive website chatbot template. Here, add your chatbot ID from BorgHive. This tells the template which chatbot should appear on your website. Then, choose when the chatbot should load. In most cases, you'll use the All Pages trigger so the chatbot is available across your entire website. Save the tag, then submit and publish your Google Tag Manager changes. Now, let's verify the installation. Open your website and check if the Chatbot button appears on the page. If the Chatbot opens and responds correctly, the Google Tag Manager integration is working. Your BorgHive Chatbot is now live on your website through Google Tag Manager. BorgHive. Deploy intelligent AI agents anywhere.